Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz Eats. It's getting cold, so that means we need to have some tomato soup or sauce on hand. All right, so as you can see, I started with a package of tomatoes, the hand mixer. I started to saute some onion and put that in the pan. Now, don't forget we cooked this live. I added in a dash of salt, and this is just a shorter video for you guys. Got that stirring around, and then I remembered to add in some herbs, some of my favorite herbs. That's just some rosemary and thyme. I set off to the side while my onions cooked. Then I added in some fresh squeezed garlic. You gotta have that garlic in there, especially in wintertime. All right, and so then I just put the tomatoes in. My intention was to just let them bruised up and burst open, get that flavor going while we chit-chatted on the live stream. And almost lastly, I added in just a pat of butter. Deglazed my pan with a little bit of wine. Now, if I was going to eat the soup right away, I would have gone in with some broth, but I'm going to hold this to the side maybe for the weekend. Started testing my tomatoes, see if they were ready to be pureed. I put that into a bowl for safety because it was still hot, and then just hit it off with the mixture until I got to the desired consistency that I wanted to have around in the fridge. Now, after I gave it a taste, I was like, okay, I really do want this for lunch, but not today because I had just eaten. But I wanted to save my grape tomatoes, so I put it in my favorite jar. It's now in the fridge, ready for tomato soup or sauce, whichever I decide.